got a lot on my mind, but in due time in this life of mine will come to a point where I can just unwind, find rest from the grind. But too many people behind, stuck, left blind with unrenewed minds. No one can hold us back except ourselves to save the shore of heaven. The lost try to run from hell. Well, the harvest is plenty, but the labor's a few. Who knew a few of us to reach the multitudes? The time is now, realize the games are over. The world tells us to stay vigilant and sober. Everyone is complaining but not taking no actions, not focused on the message, busy worrying about fashions. We all evangelize with the movie passion, but not the same good news is the news we ration without views to pass. We should reach the masses, but all is coming to halt like crash dummy crashes. They voicing their opinion, but we being too quiet. The Christian body slimming down like a low-carb diet. Denomination segregation keeps us apart, but a good place to start is the motives of the heart. Our jobs will be like Christ, sending us like man. God's plan was us to rule in this earthly land, but I've noticed too much focus on the wrong things. We sing songs to keep you soaring like eagle's wings, mixing good flavors like some ice cream. You scream, we scream, I'm glad we on the right team. Good music back with the right theme. And if it seems like it's being hard on you, maybe true. The time of preparation will get you what's due. You just gotta get through, yeah. The hard times are meant to strengthen and perfect you. Come on, you gotta know it's true, yeah. Nothing good comes easy. It's like you're in boot camp, can't stop cause your leg cramp. Nah, you gotta keep on going, knowing that you're being led by the all-knowing. And if you get weary, just faint not. Did he give up on you? No, well I think not. So you gotta keep on going, led by the all-knowing. Got a lot on my mind, but due time in this life of mine will come to a point where I can just unwind, find rest from the grind. Too many people behind, stuck, left blind with unrenewed minds. Come on, keep on going, baby, keep on going, gotta keep on going, yeah. Cause you gotta keep on going, led by the all-knowing. Keep on going, come on, keep on going, gotta keep on going, yeah. Cause you gotta keep on going, led by the all-knowing. This is how it's supposed to be. This Christian walk ain't easy, as you can probably see. With much power comes much responsibility. As for me, I'ma be faithful as I can be. He that is faithful little shall be faithful in much. We're the head, not the tail, should be treated as such. But guess what? We can't just wait for it to come to us. Sacrifice is rough, but not beneath us. The righteous never sicken, nor a seed begging bread. Go ahead, step into your purpose, baby, just be led. The word says, a faith without works is dead. His blood bled and shed with greater works ahead. See, the only time we sink is when our eyes off him. This love walk has to be real, we just can't pretend. But I've noticed too many people living double lives, then get surprised when he decides to chastise. People seeing the world through the media's eyes. One man and one woman, a real marriage in God's eyes. We living in Sodom and Gomorrah times, but we gotta focus, can't give into the worldly lies. We gotta keep our eyes on the prize, wave iniquity goodbye so that he can be glorified. So it's about time that we realize he loves the sinner, but it's a sin that he despised. Keep on going, baby, keep on going, gotta keep on going, yeah. Cause you gotta keep on going, led by the all